Welcome. In front of me is Redmi 15C, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing power saving mode right here in the corner. When you enable it or tap on it, it automatically enables and does a couple of things in the background which aren't mentioned right here. Let's see if we hold the toggle, will it tell us what it does? And yes, it does. So here are the things that will happen when enabled. Now with the power saving mode being turned on, you will need to remember to turn it off as it will run indefinitely in the background. So you can just turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.